Good day, sir. I am Michael Reyes Kaipang from BSMT Section Esto G. I am going to explain GMDSS, the Global Maritime Distress and Safety System. GMDSS operates as a global maritime communication system integrating multiple subsystems to safeguard sea safety. These components encompass satellite communication, digital selective calling, emergency position indicating radio beacons, and search and rescue transponders. Each subsystem serves a vital function in enabling communication and distress signaling among ships and shore stations, ensuring prompt aid during crisis. GMDSS strives to elevate maritime safety and security by furnishing dependable and effective communication avenues for seafarers worldwide. Worldwide. Og mao ni akong nasabtan, sir. Ang GMDSS nangkob og pipila ka mga subsystem lakip ang satellite communications, digital selective calling DSC, automatic identification system AIS, navigation og meteorological warnings og search and rescue coordination. And that's all, sir. Thank you. Marto, sir.